Hello, in this video I will show you how to rig hair using hair tool. So in this scene I have the armature already created, and this is its head bone. The first step is to select the hair you want to rig, go to the edit mode, and I will want to point hair tool to target rig. So using Ctrl+Shift+H I will set target rig to my armature, and using the same menu I will set parent bone to head. So this way hair tool will know that automatically put new bones to this armature and parent them to the head bone. Now we will select the hair stripes that we want to rig, and notice that one of the mesh islands has active face selected. So this island with active face will be used for guiding of the generated bones. So now using the same Ctrl+Shift+H menu, we will use generate bones, and we have the bone created. In the settings below I can change starting position, I can increase bone count, I can offset them more toward the tip, and there is option to automatically assign jiggle physics. If I now go to pose mode and I will run the spring physics, you see that the hair was skinned correctly and there is some physics assigned. I can increase realism by decreasing mass and increasing stiffness, so this will behave more like hair. There is also option to generate separate bone chain for each separate mesh island. So if I select those 4 mesh stripes, now I can run Ctrl+Shift+H generate bones again, but this time in the bottom I will select from active stripe to all selected stripes. So now you see we have separate bone chain generated for each mesh island. You can run the physics, and also if you want you can create different physics settings. So let's say I will generate new physics settings like so. I will select some bones, and in the menu in here I can assign these physics settings to selected bones. If I enable physics now, you see that the brighter bones are behaving slightly different. So yes, I hope you like this video, and see ya.